Pisces Zuko as a child. Pisces Zuko as a child. Aquarius Blue Spirit Zuko. Scorpio Outlawed Prince Zuko traveling with Uncle Iroh. Scorpio Outlawed Prince Zuko traveling with Uncle Iroh. Libra Zuko working at Uncle Iroh's tea shop. Libra Zuko working at Uncle Iroh's tea shop. Virgo Zuko trying to convince Team Avatar to let him join them. Virgo Zuko trying to convince Team Avatar to let him join them. Leo Zuko when he confronts his father during the Fire Nation invasion. Leos are known for their bravery and their natural leadership abilities, which Zuko best embodies during his confrontation with his father during the Fire Nation invasion. Zuko confronts his father for the abuse that he had to go through for his entire life, and declares his intention to help the Avatar learn firebending. The confrontation culminates with Zuko redirecting his father's lightning, a symbol of Zuko learning how to decide his own destiny. Cancer outlaws Zuko in the Earth Kingdom. Cancers are known to be emotional, loyal, and sympathetic, but at their worst, they can be manipulative and highly suspicious of others. Zuko embodies these qualities as an outlaw in the Earth Kingdom. Having recently separated from Uncle Iroh, Zuko learns to fend for himself, but cannot help feeling sympathetic towards the civilians of an Earth Kingdom village who are being terrorized by power-hungry and abusive Earth Kingdom soldiers. He befriends Lee, the young son of an Earth Kingdom farmer. Zuko sees himself in Lee and tries to protect him as best he can. Unfortunately, that required the use of his firebending ability, which inevitably fractured the relationship that he had built with the village people. Gemini Zuko in Bossing Sea. Geminis are often considered to be two personalities in one. They can be sociable and communicative one second, and withdrawn and restless the next. Zuko's likeness to a Gemini happens during the Fire Nation's invasion of Bossing Sea. Zuko frees the Dai Lai captured a path, and as Iroh notes, finally doing the moral deed has pitted his actions against the persona that he had constructed for himself for years. The conflict between these two has manifested itself into a literal sickness, giving Zuko a fever and hallucinations. Zuko's two-faced character shows itself once more when he betrays Uncle Iroh and teams up with Azula in order to capture the Avatar for the Fire Nation. Taurus Banished Prince Zuko. Taurus signs are known for their persistence and their loyalty, which often comes across as stubbornness. Zuko most strongly embodies these qualities at the beginning of the series, 2 years after his initial banishment from the Fire Nation. Despite Fire Lord Ozai and the Fire Nation, by extension effectively turning his back on his son, Zuko is still fiercely determined to restore his honor and regain what he considered to be his rightful place in the Fire Nation. He projected these desires onto his goal of capturing the Avatar, and relentlessly pursued them across the globe. Aries Zuko during his Agni time with Azula. Aries signs are characterized as uncomplicated, direct, and passionate. They are naturally headstrong and confident. Zuko realizes these qualities during his Agni Kai with his younger sister, Azula. Recognizing that she was not operating at her peak performance, he knew that he would be able to match her in a one-on-one duel, despite Katara being with him as backup. This is the Zuko in Avatar, the Last Airbender that has come to terms with his destiny and is finally confident and self-assured in regards to his place in the world.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.